love ka rin ba sa calories this lockdown season? Join me as we let them go. We have 13 types of exercises. We do it 30 seconds each, 10 seconds rest interval. Ready ka na? Let's go! The first belly fat workout is top jack. Parang jumping jack pero hindi tumatalon. Itatap ng left hand ang right toe mo and do it vice versa. Tandaan, i-stretch mabuti ang legs at arms. Pero kung nagsisimula pa lang ang journey to healthy lifestyle, kung ano lang muna ang kaya ng katawan. Important note, engage your stomach. Meaning, inhale sa mahirap na move and exhale sa madaling posisyon. Kaya? The next is the standing toe touch exercise. When standing, we want to take the left hand to reach the right toe and go back to standing position. Alternately, your right hand into your left toe. Dapat straight both ang legs and arms. Kung mahirap, pwede namang mag-bend, pero huwag sanayin ng sarili sa pandaraya. Gaya ko, abutin ang dapat abutin sa malinis na paraan. 4, 3, 2, 1. Next is the crossover toe touch. This is basically a stretching exercise that helps warm up our body as well as stretch out our hamstring, our torso, and arms. This involves bending down at 90 degrees and having your arms touching the opposite toe. So when you bend over, make sure to do it with your back straight. Pinapakiramdaman ko pa yung likod ko dahil may scoliosis ako. Pero dapat kayo straight para effective. Next is the standing side crunch. What we are gonna do is widen our legs or feet with distance apart. Bend our knees. Put our hands behind our necks or ears and bring your left knee to left elbow. When we do this, we breathe out each time we crunch and try to get knee towards your elbow. Kaya pa? Observe, inhale, and exhale. 6, 5, pagod na si ate girl, 2, 1, 0. Next is the alternate knee lift exercise. This exercise targets our abs, harden our core, as well as improving balance. What we're gonna do is to slowly lift our legs as high as it feels comfortable and do it for 30 seconds. O diba, madali lang, very classic and basic. Kung pinapawisan na kayo at this very moment, ibig sabihin na gagawa natin ng tama ang exercises. Remember that we have 10 seconds rest interval, so pwedeng magpahinga. Next is the standing side bend. What we're gonna do is to stand with our feet shoulder width apart and raise our arms straight up over our head as we inhale. Lower our right arm down the right side and stretch the left arm over our head as we exhale. Then, we inhale to return arms overhead to center and exhale as we repeat the exercise. O, diba? Kayang-kaya natin. Next is the other side raised right or left. Kung ano yung gusto nyong unahin, kung ano yung mas komportable kayo. Dito, inuna ko yung right. So, from standing position, inangat, baba ko lang yung right leg ko. This improves our hips or yung appearance ng mga balakang natin. Nahirapan ako sa exercise na to, pero kakayanin ko hanggang dulo. O, pahinga muna. Next ay the outer thigh raise left naman. Same process ng ginawa natin sa right side. Angat, baba, para gumanda ang appearance ng mga hips natin. Oh, kayo rin ba? Ganyan na? Hirap na? Excited nang matapos? 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The Woodchopper. So usually, what we do is to stand straight with our feet shoulder width apart and with both hands, pwede kayong humawak ng dumbbell or medicine ball. But for me right now, I don't have any. So, nag-imagine na lang ako na meron akong baseball bat. So rotate your torso to the right and raise whatever you have until it's over the right shoulder. Squat as you rotate your torso to the left and bring your equipment diagonally across the body until it's close to your left hip. Repeat and then switch sides. So, ini-improve nito ang muscles natin sa abs, obliques, lower back, quads, hamstrings, glutes, shoulders, and, of course, the upper back.
Faithful and brave.
Next is the crossover crunches. So what we do is to stand up straight with your feet hip width apart and your hands behind your head. Bend your right leg and lift your knee as high as you can. Rotate your torso to the right and bring your right knee to your left elbow. Repeat on the opposite side and keep alternating sides until set is complete. This targets the obliques, abs, hip flexors, glutes, thighs, and quads. Next is the double chop knee pulls. Let's engage the core with the double chop knee pull. Put your arms up in a chopping motion and chop down while twisting the side of your body. Keep a tall spine and don't ever rotate. This is a great move for the hip flexors. O diba, parang dancer lang. Isa to sa mga favorite exercise ko. Last but not the least, jumping jacks. This is a total body workout that you can do almost anywhere. So this everyone's favorite exercise. Jumping jacks work for our glutes, quadriceps, and hip flexors. Ano, aaraw-arawin na ba natin to?
We have some fabulous live music later on, but right now here's the kind I prefer.
So I hope na-encourage ko kayo to your journey sa healthy lifestyle, especially this quarantine season. You eat and then you burn those fats. Thanks for watching!